Well, hey there, Cecilia here. How are you today? I am going to share with you 7 online businesses that you can have that do not require you to have physical products. Yes, online businesses that you can build and grow for yourself where you do not, I repeat, do not have to have physical products, right? So, my name is Cecilia Morris, and for those who are unfamiliar with me, I am known as your engineer by education, home business owner by desire, and I help affiliate and network marketers learn how to use digital marketing strategies to build their brand and their business online. All right, so I'm going to give you these 7 businesses that you can have without having physical products. But before I would do that, I want to share with you why I got out of the physical products business. So there are 7 reasons why I got out of the physical products business. And the first one was the cost. Now, let me give a disclaimer. If you are happy with your business, I say keep at it and keep going. Just for me, I knew there had to be a better way. I had been in the physical product business for over 10 years, and the company that I was with was shut down by the FTC, as we've seen a lot of that happen this year in 2018. And I was like, okay, this can't happen to me again. I got to find a better way and I got to make it happen. And what I learned as I tried to start over with a new products based company is that it was costing me every single month because of the auto ship, whether I recruited somebody, I brought somebody on board or not. I had to buy something every single month. And usually that cost was between $100 and $150. But because I am a house of one plus a dog, I always have product left over at the end of the month. So that's reason number 2. I had too much product. At the end of the month, I got products. At the end of 3 months, I got inventory. That's number 3. I'm building inventory because it's too much product for one person to use in a month. Now I'm trying to get rid of this inventory. Then I found number 4. It was hard to sell. So what I did was I decided to give it away to people as long as they paid shipping and handling. But they had to give me a testimony. What I found with that was I was giving it to them, but they were not coming back with the testimony. And then I realized I don't like doing trade shows. I'm so over it on the trade shows between packing and unpacking and repacking and then having to stand by a table and provide samples. And most people would get the samples and walk away. Even if I had them fill out a paper to give me their email address, most of the times they didn't follow up. And the ones who did follow up and maybe made a purchase for a month, 2 months, sometimes even 3 months, they just were not consistent. Can't build a business like that. And all the while, by the way, I'm still on my auto ship collecting more inventory. And then last but not least was the rejection. That is such a mental deal breaker. I mean, it can really throw your psyche off. So that's why I got out of the products business for my home-based business. But there has to be an alternative, right? Well, because I'm your engineer by education, home business owner by desire, my goal was to find the alternative. So here are the 7 online businesses you can have that do not require physical products. And make sure you stay until the end because I'm going to tell you what my personal favorite is and what I am using right now to build my team and my success online without physical products. All right, so option number 1 is affiliate marketing. There are a number of companies that you can use to do affiliate marketing. Some examples are JVZoo, ClickBank, ClickFunnels, and I'm sure there's many more, but those are just some examples of companies that I personally, Elite Marketing Pro, Super Affiliate Network, those are companies that I personally am familiar with. And with affiliate marketing, what that is that you are offering someone else's product for a percentage of the purchase price. You are not required to do any sales. You are not keeping the follow-up. I mean, a lot of them do the emails for you, so you don't have to worry about that. But affiliate marketing, that is a way to go to have an online business without physical products. And I gave you a few examples of some companies that I'm familiar with. Number 2 is the travel business. The travel business is definitely a way to have an online business without having physical product. You provide a website where someone can go to and they basically book their own vacation. One of these programs that I am also an affiliate for is Book VIP. So not only is Book VIP a travel company, it is also a affiliate marketing company as well. So you get the double whammy with Book VIP. And there's others out there. I've got a friend, her page, I believe is Camets, CAMETS World Travel. But there's a lot of others out there. But that is another opportunity for you to have an online business without physical products. Number 3 is the finance business. That's where you teach people financial management, debt elimination, how to improve their credit, amongst other things. Some companies that offer that. There is Financial Education Services. There is My Econ. Gosh, there was another one, American Credit Repair Training. I think that's a class where you learn how to create your own credit repair company. So that is an option for you. Number three, in the finance business. Number four is investment and insurance. Some companies out there, Primerica, you probably heard of them. I know I was a part of Primerica up until 2008 when I had to pull my money out so I could keep my house, my car, eat. And then there's PHP. I recently heard about them. I believe it stands for People Helping People, but it's PHP agency. They're very similar to Primerica, but of course, everybody has their differences. But that is a investment slash insurance company that you can have as a business where you do not have physical products. On a caveat to this, whether you go with Primerica or PHP, get you some insurance. April of next year will mark 2 years since I lost someone very close to me that did not have insurance. And it is the third time it will have been, pending nobody else dies under these circumstances. In this short amount of time, I've actually done 3 GoFundMe pages for people that I know that passed away without life insurance. So whether you go with Primerica, PHP, get you some insurance. And if you have a job, get you some insurance, because if you leave or lose your job, so does your life insurance. That's my side note, my PSA for today. But that's number 4. You can go into the investment or insurance business. And the 2 that I know of are PHP and Primerica Financial Services. And then number 5, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I don't know anything really about that. I know there's also like Forex trading. I don't know anything about that, but I do know people who do it. And that is option number 5 for an online business without physical products. Number 6 is the legal business. I call that legal insurance. I consider legal insurance just like car insurance. I'd rather have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. And the one that I know of, at least I think is the biggest player in the game, is Legal Shield. So once again, these are all suggestions of companies that I know of. Make your own choice, do your own research, do your own due diligence. But that is option number 6, the legal business. And then option number 7, which I really like the most, is share your knowledge. What knowledge do you have that you can actually sell, right? Charge for what you know. The more you know, the more you charge. So for instance, I've got a friend, her name is Felisa Cargile, Felisa Cargile. She is an amazing vegan aficionado. She knows all things veganism, and she is building her business based upon her vegan knowledge. So what do you know that you can charge for? Once again, the more you know, the more you can charge. The more people pay, the more they pay attention. So some of the things that I charge for, I have personal coaching. I charge for that. I do group coaching. I charge for that. I do Facebook pages. I charge for that. I know how to use MailChimp to create landing pages and funnels. I charge for that. What do you charge for? I do all kinds of different things from the knowledge that I learned in this online internet space that is outside of the company that I'm affiliated with, where I build my brand and my business online. That is number 7. And that is solely based on you. And your knowledge is power. You understand that? Knowledge is power. All right, so that's the top 7 business ideas that do not require you to have physical products, and they can all be done online. So what is my favorite outside of number 7, of course, where I share what I know? My favorite is number 3, the finance business. And I chose MyEcon. Why did I choose MyEcon, do you ask? Well, there were a number of reasons. The first reason I chose MyEcon is because before I even thought about really taking this leap of faith, I was with MyEcon because it taught me how to shift my income out of the hands of Uncle Sam and back into my paycheck. Super important. Why would you give the government a loan for 12 months only for them to give you your own money back without interest? I challenge you to go to any financial institution and ask them for a 12-month loan, sans interest, and see if you don't get laughed out of there, especially if you don't have any collateral. Seriously? Yeah, we give the government our money every paycheck with no collateral on the benefit of getting a tax return of our own money at the end of the year. So they taught me how to put more money in my paycheck, use that to pay down debts, to save, and to invest. The second reason why I chose MyEcon, because they offer legal services similar to Legal Shield. Now, is their network as vast as Legal Shield? No, because they're not as big in that particular arena, but they still have legal services, free legal services such as doing a will, traffic tickets, all that kind of stuff. So that was reason number 2. Number 3 was the debt elimination system. So once I started bringing home more money on my paycheck, I needed to know what to do with that money to best eliminate my debt. Most people think you want to start with your biggest bill and work down. Well, quite the opposite is true. You want to start with your smallest bill and work your way up. Who'd have thunk, right? Number 4, I believe, why I chose my econ is because of the investment strategies. Most people who work invest into their 401k. However, you can invest outside of your 401k in your own personal 401k account, and that is a tax deduction as well. Number 5 was the cash flow management system, where I am able to input my income and expenses from my business each month, and then I can download my own profit and loss statement. And most importantly, I can download the entire year and give that to my accountant instead of showing up with a box of receipts, which I've never done, by the way. But now I don't have to do the Excel spreadsheets anymore. I just download it into the cash management system, and then I download it into a Excel file that I then email to my accountant as a profit and loss statement. I can do it monthly, I can do it quarterly or yearly. And then number 6, I believe, is because of the Cashback Mall. We all shop online. Why not get paid for it? In my econ, you have the benefit of your own personal eBay. We have the largest cashback mall in the universe. So Cashback Mall, cash flow management system, along with tax record keeping, the investment advice. Once again, we are not investment strategies. We just give you advice and you take that and do what you will. The income shifting, extremely important. Like J.G. Wentworth, it's your money. Use it when you need it. Quit giving your money to the government. Even the IRS recommends that you take home the right amount of money on your paycheck instead of waiting on a tax return that's already your money in the first place. What happens if you need a new dishwasher, a refrigerator, or a washer and dryer? You can't go to Uncle Sam during the year and say, hey, you know that money that I've been giving you on my taxes? Can I get some of it now instead of waiting until I get my W-4s on January 31st? Not happening. Put it on your paycheck, save it, invest it, eliminate debt. All right, so I've given you 7 online businesses that you can start that do not require you to have physical products. I give you the one I chose and the reasons why I chose this business. Oh, and reason number 7, the investment to be a part of my econ is less than $500 a year. I have been in product-based companies where I was spending close to $200 a month once you added in taxes and shipping and handling. And I can do this for $500, less than $500 a year. Yeah, no brainer. So if you want to be a part of my ecom and be a part of my tribe and get on our team, click the link that's going to be in the comments or description of this video, and let's get you started today. If you have any questions, click that link to email me to get your questions answered. The one thing you don't want to do is wait another day without investing in your financial future and start a business, whether it's in one of the 7 sectors that I mentioned, or if you would like to be part of our tribe. I am Cecilia Morris, your engineer by education, your home business owner by desire. Click the link in the comments. It's www.successwithcecilia.com/mymoney. Make sure you use the link in the comments because my name is not spelled like most people spell Cecilia. Click that link. Let's get you started. If you decide to join our team, you get a lot of benefits. You get 3 one-on-one coaching calls. You get to learn about attraction marketing strategies. You get our weekly webinars, 3 of them that we do every week for people that are new to my ecom. You get a weekly training webinar where we teach you how to be a part of this business. You get the benefit of being in 2 of our private Facebook groups and also in our messenger bot, where you will get exclusive training specifically for your new My Ecom business. If any of the other businesses that I mentioned aren't offering you the support, the training, and the guidance that we have as part of my econ, think about what you're doing. Because if you don't have the right skills, you can't be successful. Not only do we give you the skills, training, and support, we hold your hand until you're ready to let go and ride that 2-wheel bike, okay? So once again, I am Cecilia, your engineer by education. Click the link in the comments, www.successwithcecilia.com/mymoney. If you have questions, support at successwithcecilia.com, and I can't wait to have you on the team.